Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of storage. On Temu you will click on settings. Here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about the application of Temu. Here you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then we click on storage. Here we click on clear cache. After that you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.